I've looked across hundreds of different accounts on TikTok, and in this video I'm going to reveal to you 3 faceless niches are absolutely blowing up currently. And this is only the tip of the iceberg. There are tons of other niches that are really doing well on the TikTok faceless scene, and if you guys would like me to cover those as well in another video, let me know in the comments, and if this video does really well, I'll be happy to go back and create a similar video in the near future. Also, I've done some deeper dives into these accounts that I'm going to share in this video. The links are in the description and in no particular order. Niche number 1, the fictional conspiracy theories niche. An account that you should hopefully be seeing on the screen right now started in August 2023. They're already hitting nearly 400k followers. Are in the fictional conspiracy theories niche, and the beauty of this niche is there are obviously only so many conspiracy theories that have been circulating around the internet, and a lot of them have been played out and documented to death. If you think of Loch Ness Monster, if you think of the UFO Roswell incident, if you think of the Phoenix Lights UFO incident, all of those have been told by a bunch of different accounts many times. However, if you put yourself in the fictional conspiracy theory niche, you're then opening doors to potentially having an endless amount of content, because of course these are fictional, so you're essentially creating your own conspiracy theories out of thin air. All of the videos on this account, as you can see, they are 1 minute plus long videos, meaning they are targeting the creativity program beta. But of course, that is not the limit. There is plenty of other monetization opportunities if you play your cards correct and follow the right steps in building an account like this. There's opportunities to scale your viewers onto platforms like YouTube, Instagram Reels, because this type of content is not just TikTok native content. You can essentially upload it to any platform that is friendly towards short video or even long form video content. In terms of how you can put the videos together for this type of niche, again, very simple. You just take a combination of the likes of ChatGPT for the research, 11 Labs, CapCut to put everything together. There's basically many different approaches that you can take, and it's an evergreen niche as well. You can always use AI to generate you these types of scripts and these types of content as well. And looking at how quickly they've blown up as well, from 0 to nearly 400k followers, that's really a positive indication that the account is heading in the right direction. The second niche that is completely blowing up on TikTok is the travel/amazing places niche. The account you can see on the screen right now started in March 2023, and as you can see, they've already grew up to more than 2 million followers, and this is just on TikTok. They've also blown up on YouTube Shorts as well, and they've got over 1 million followers over there. And the genius thing about this is they've taken same videos that they upload on TikTok and re-uploaded them on to YouTube Shorts. For those of you who don't know, YouTube Shorts go all the way up to 1 minute. Now, this is a unique opportunity for TikTokers, because this means even if you're targeting the creativity program beta and your videos are 1 minute long, you can still take that 1 minute long video, not a second extra. It needs to be exactly 1 minute long, and you can re-upload it on YouTube, and that will still be classed as YouTube Shorts. And as everyone knows, YouTube is pushing out YouTube Shorts massively at the moment. So not only are you benefiting from the creativity program beta, but you're also building a community on YouTube Shorts as well. And I know a lot of people say it's hard to convert viewers of YouTube Shorts into long form viewers of your videos. Yes, it is challenging, but once you have built that fan base, once you have built that community, you're in a unique position than someone who's got 0 subscribers on YouTube to then convert those short viewers onto long form viewers, whether it's on the same account or whether it's on a different account. And that's where your monetization opportunities lie. What this account has done is mastered putting together footage of amazing places from around the world. As you can see, all they do is just collecting footage of amazing places. Again, I've done a deeper dive, which will be linked in the description with regards to this specific case study, to give you guys an idea of where they could have gotten the footage from and how the videos are put together. The ingredients are mainly sourcing the footage, making sure that this is searched for on TikTok by doing TikTok SEO. You put everything together in a video editor like CapCut, and from there you've got your video. You don't even need voice narration in a lot of these types of videos as well. All you need is just some really good, stunning looking footage, nice music in the background, a bit of SEO, a little bit of editing, in fact barely any editing, because you don't want to over edit the footage because it's already beautiful as it is. You don't want to add too many complex edits on it. You just want to play it as it is so people can appreciate it. And yeah, and then you just upload it onto your TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or even Instagram Reels from there. With it being linked to the travel industry is notoriously known for having high CPMs and RPMs as well. It's highly likely that from within the creativity program beta, you would be hitting the 5 figures per month if you run this type of account as well. The interesting / random facts niche. Now, the account you can see on the screen has only been up and running since September 2023, and as you can see, they've already nearly hit 300k followers on TikTok, which is absolutely insane. They've only been up for a couple of months. In fact, all of these accounts that I'm talking about here in these niches have been up and running, at least on TikTok, for less than even a year, yet they've managed to hit the heights that I'm mentioning in this video. Now, interesting / random facts, again, evergreen content. The content is relevant now as much as it will be relevant 10 years from now. So it's a really, really good niche. In terms of the content type as well, it's scalable. It doesn't just have to stay on TikTok. You can upload it on YouTube Shorts. You can upload it on Instagram Reels. Essentially, you create the video once, and this video can go ahead and work for you by being uploaded onto different platforms and potentially hitting those monetization opportunities within those different platforms as well. In terms of how they put their videos together, again, pretty straightforward. ChatGPT comes up with the facts for you. That's all you need. You don't even need to go on Google. You don't need to go and search for stuff yourself online. From there, you just need an AI voice from the likes of 11 Labs, and then from there, everything comes together using CapCut. Only thing that's standing between you and the people that are doing well is consistently. Yes, you're not going to blow up straight away from your very first video that you upload. It might not be your second video, it might not be your third video, but it's people that look at those initial indicators that show that the account and the videos have got potential. Are you being exposed to the For You page? Are you getting those initial views? Are you getting that initial engagement? Is TikTok allowing you onto their free-flowing traffic? If they are, if TikTok is exposing your account and allowing you to be seen via the For You page, you're not getting any penalties, you're not being restricted, then usually those are some of the indications that this is an account that TikTok has no problem with. And from there, it's keep showing up, keep uploading, and that's how people get this far. If you're someone, however, that gets on, uploads 3 videos and stops because you've not gone viral, then perhaps this might not be something that is for you.